Hello everyone and welcome to my new tutorial on the SmartAssistant channel. In this tutorial, I will show you a simple way to check and update the Gallery app on your phone. If you want your Gallery app on your Samsung Galaxy phone to work flawlessly and have all the latest features, regular updates are key. Follow the steps and enjoy all the improvements that the new version brings. First, open the Gallery app on your phone. Once you open the Gallery app, you will see 3 horizontal lines in the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on them to open the Options menu. In the menu, tap on the gear icon to access the settings. When you're on the settings page, scroll all the way down to see an option called About Gallery. Tap on it. On this page, you can see the current version of the Gallery app. If a new version is available like mine, you will also see a button that says Update. Tap on it. This will automatically open the update details on the Galaxy Store. Now tap the update button again at the bottom of the screen and the app will start downloading. Expect this to take a few moments depending on your internet connection speed. Once the download is complete, the update will automatically begin installing. When the installation is finished, you can open the Gallery app to check out the new features and improvements. And this will also be the end of this video, friends. If you like this video, don't forget to like it, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you very soon and thank you so much for watching.